Girl, I heard you're ready to make some coins, but you don't want to use your face for your business. It's your girl Brittany Rose here, and I am the creator of the Faceless Content Kickoff. And this is created for shy, busy, product-based business owners who are looking for a way to scale and grow their business using social media, but without being front-facing. And you might be like, I'm seeing your face. Yes, you are. Because unlike my best friend, which I'm going to share a case study about her very shortly, I have been in the entrepreneur game for the last 10 plus years. So before this faceless stuff happened, you had to show up with your face. So I'm already there, and I'm going to tell you about the case study now. So my best friend, she has always wanted to go into business for herself, but the way life has happened, she has 2 littles, she works 9 to 5. She never wanted to be committing to a brand that felt tied to her. I can understand that, because on the days you don't feel like it, on the days you're not feeling 1000%, which I'm learning, I've always known this, but you're not going to feel like that every single day. When your face is tied to your brand, you start connecting yourself to your business in a space of worth. You feel like if you're not perfect, you can't show up in your business. And I'm here to tell you that this is further from the truth, but you can circumvent this whole problem by going faceless. So my girl she found her passion, she created her digital product, she created her brand around a passion she loves, which is reading. And with that, I provided her tips on how to get started. I provided her the tools, the programs, the resources, AI, things that will help her batch and prepare and kind of generate the ideas. Wouldn't you know it, my girl went from 0 followers and made it to 1,000 in less than 1 month. She did that without compromising herself. She did it without burnout. She's doing it about something she loves, so she feels joy creating it. And I want that to happen for you, because this is where I feel like my passion is starting to kick in. I love making things simple for people, and I love teaching. So I made the Faceless Content Kickoff. It's completely free. If you want to dive a little bit deeper, I've also made the Confident and Faceless Content Creator Starter Kit, which is like a beefed up version of my free offer. But if you're new to me, you might not recognize me, I want to give you the free option so you can get a little piece of the cake, and then you're going to say you want another slice, and baby, I got it for you. My offer is only $100, and the ROI, the return of investment, is infinite. Because once you launch your brand, especially if you're product based, especially if you choose digital, once you get it rolling, your income is literally endless. So comment below faceless if you want the link to my free offer, the Faceless Content Kickoff, or comment starter kit for my $100 offer. I'm so excited to share this with you. I'm bursting at the seams, okay? So make sure you're following me, because I'm about to start sharing more faceless content and really just the confidence of putting yourself out there without using your face. All right, see you in the next one.